First, find the notch near the keyring hole and then take a screwdriver, insert it into this notch and then turn it. This would lift the case and then you could easily take it off. And then there is another case. Simply put your screwdriver in a groove underneath it and then lift it up to take it out. You won't be able to open this with your hand. So again, use a screwdriver. Again, you will find a groove in here to insert your screwdriver. First, I try to use a small screwdriver and it doesn't lift it up properly, which could break the case. So use a wider screwdriver like this one. So the plastic case came out a little bit and you would need to move the screwdriver around the edges of the case and slowly detach it in order to open the case. Once it's loose, use your hand to separate the two sides. And finally, we got to the battery. Once again, use a screwdriver to lift the battery from one side to put it above the tabs on one side, and then with the screwdriver push it forward from the opposite side so that it would come out from over the tabs. It wasn't easy, but we got the battery out, and it's a CR2016 type battery. Make sure to remove the sticker from the new battery and then slide the new battery in from one side and push it a bit down so that it would be held firmly by the tabs. Now take the case, align it properly, and then push them together to close it. Find this plastic tip. It's actually the LED indicator, and on the case you could see a hole where this LED light needs to go through, and that's how you understand which direction you should insert the case. So make sure to insert the LED light through this hole so that it pokes out. And now take the other side of the casing, align it with the other half, and then firmly press them together to close it. And that's it. To test that the battery is working, you could press any button and see the red light turn on.